Hello guys, today I'm going to teach what are variables. Let's begin the session. Va- A variable is an alphabet which stores a value or a string. Example A storing the value 1, B storing the value 50, storing the value uh, C storing string hi Cortana, D storing the string hello. Guys, we can um, use double quotes or single quotes to represent a string in Python. Okay, try to print. Yeah, 150 hi Cortana hello. Yeah, this is the output. uh, the second concept is the logic behind swapping two numbers. Okay, let me just show you. Yeah. For example, take value a equals to 3 and take another variable f equals to a. Okay, the question may arise here. Okay, f is referring to the variable a or f is referring to the value of variable a. Okay, the answer is f is referring to the value of a, which is 3, and a is referring to the value 3. Okay, let me just show you in real time. Okay, suppose take value of a equals to 5 and f equals a. Print a comma f. Okay, yeah, a value is 5, f is referring to the value of a 5, so it is 5. Let me just change a to 10. What might be the value of f? It is still 5. As I said, it is referring to the value of a but not a, variable a. Print a comma f. F still remain at 5. The output is 10 comma 5. Are you getting my point? Yeah. And uh, let's do swapping of two numbers. Okay, take a equals to b equals 9 8. Okay, try to swap. If equals to a, b equals f, a equals b, what will happen? F is referring to the value of a, which is equals to 2. This is hashtag which is used to comment. Okay, uh, b equals to value of f. Okay, which is 2. the value of f equal to 2, and value of variable a referring to the value of b, which is 2. The answer is 2 comma 2. Okay, are you getting me? Yeah, this is false. False. Okay, try a b equal to 8. Okay, f equals to a, the value of f is 2. Try take a equals b, the value of a is 8. B equals f, the variable b, the value of f is 2. Yeah, here you can see that the value of a is 8, value of b is 2. Yeah, this is exactly the true statement. Yeah, 8 comma 2, this is true. I as I just told you, the logic behind this is, yeah, this thing. A is referring to the value 3, f is referring to the value of a is 3, but not referring to the a. Okay, this is the simple logic behind this. Okay, thank you guys, have a nice